In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete your Binance account, or at least disable it, in 2025. Before diving in, I must emphasize that this process is permanent, so you need to be absolutely sure before proceeding. Let's walk through the steps to make sure everything is in order before deletion. First, it's crucial to handle a few things before closing your account. You'll need to withdraw all your cryptocurrencies and fiat money, and make sure your balances are completely cleared. This step is necessary because Binance won't allow you to delete your account if there are any funds still present or if any loans or subscriptions are active. Another important step is to cancel or close any open orders or trading positions. Doing so prevents any potential risks or losses and ensures nothing is left pending when you delete your account. Make sure there are no pending withdrawals or transfers, so nothing gets stuck after you make your account deletion request. Lastly, consider downloading your transaction history. Once your account is deleted, you'll lose access to all of your past transaction records, and keeping a copy might be useful for your records. Now, let's move on to how to actually delete your Binance account using the mobile app. Start by logging into the Binance mobile app. Once you're in, locate the Profile or Account Center icon, which you'll typically find at the top left of your screen. Tap on this icon to proceed. From there, navigate to the Security section and then select Manage Account. When you reach the right section, tap on the Delete Account option. At this point, Binance will ask you to select a reason for your account deletion. It's important to be honest and deliberate with your choice. After selecting a reason, you'll need to read Binance's terms and warnings carefully. Make sure you understand that any remaining assets must be withdrawn first. Binance emphasizes that account deletion is irreversible, so you'll need to acknowledge that you understand you'll lose access to all of your data and, consequently, lose any remaining assets if not withdrawn. Before finalizing your request to delete your account, you'll have to complete any required security verifications, which could include two-factor authentication or email verification, among others. These precautions ensure that the request is legitimate and authorized by you. Once you've completed these steps, your account deletion process will be underway. Remember, take the time to double-check that everything is in order beforehand, as this process is permanent. Thank you for watching, and please handle this process with care.